Hey RVers, I'm Lisa McEwen. Thanks for checking out RV Lifestyle and Repair. As you guys know, we are weekend warrior type campers, which essentially means we love to take long weekends with our girls. And we even try to schedule in a few extra breaks when the girls have a longer break from school, like over spring break or Christmas. Our girls, Adeline and Riley, love RVing just as much as we do. But one of the things that we really like to do with the girls is collect stamps inside this passport. If you take a look inside here, this one is Florida specific, and this entire book has a list of all of the state campgrounds in the state of Florida. So every time we visit a new one, we go to a ranger station and we get a stamp for that park. The idea being that you will visit all of the parks and fill the book with stamps.
Look everybody, we got a new stamp.
Well, we wanted to get the stamp, of course, for our passport, so I went inside. And you can see we got it all stamped and ready to go. So it's another park that we've got a stamp for in our passport.
We just got a stamp from Sebastian Inland State Park.
Most states sell a passport like this. Inside the passport, you usually find a map of the state with all of the campgrounds listed. In this passport, the state is broken up into sections like Northeast or Southwest. Each state park has a page of its own with a picture, description, and a place for a stamp. In Florida, there are 175 state parks to visit. We keep the passport right in our glove box, so when we make a stop to a new state park, we have it with us. So where can you get your hands on one of these cool passports? Well, the first place I would look would be online. A lot of times the state campground systems actually sell them on their website, so check there first. You could also consider popping into a ranger station or a gift shop at one of the state campgrounds and asking the folks that work there if they sell them. Now, not to worry if you can't manage to find one at a store. You can certainly find one online, but sometimes they're not called passports. They might be called a guidebook or a stamp book. Keep that in mind as you're doing a search, but Amazon is always a great place to look. If you take a look at the options that are on Amazon, you can certainly find some that are state focused, even some that are focused on the national parks, so you can go ahead and collect stamps as you visit each one of the national parks as well. We encourage you to get the passports to the states that you are closest to. So we live in Florida, so of course we have one for the state of Florida, but we also have some for neighboring states as well, right? South Carolina, Alabama, Georgia. So we've got those in our collection too, because those are the places that we head to the most. We think that collecting these passport stamps is a really cool way to preserve some memories, and it's just another reason to get excited about going out on your RV travels. So the next time you are at a state campground, consider popping into a ranger station and seeing if you can't get your own stamp book to get your collection started.